Hey you, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is for first-time job seekers who are finding their way into the workplace. Congratulations on embarking on your journey into the professional world. Landing your first job is an exciting milestone, and as you transition from academia to the workforce, it's essential to equip yourself with the knowledge and confidence to negotiate your salary. Let's start with some numbers. According to recent surveys, only a small percentage of first-time job seekers negotiate their initial job offer. These percentages range between 30% and 40%. This indicates a significant opportunity for candidates to stand out and secure better compensation packages. 1. Why you should negotiate your salary. Negotiating your salary is not only a means to increase your earnings in the short term, it is also a strategic move that can have a profound impact on your long-term financial well-being. By negotiating, you assert your value, demonstrate confidence in your abilities, and establish a foundation for future salary growth and financial stability. 2. Reasons why people don't negotiate salaries. Despite the benefits, many first-time job seekers hesitate to negotiate salaries. Common reasons include fear of rejection, lack of knowledge, concerns about jeopardizing the job offer, or the perception that negotiation is inappropriate for entry-level positions. However, it's important to overcome these barriers and recognize that negotiation is a standard and expected part of the hiring process. 3. The long-term benefits of salary negotiation. Negotiating your salary early in your career can have significant long-term advantages. It sets a higher baseline for future raises and promotions, contributes to closing the gender and diversity pay gap, boosts confidence in your professional worth, and enhances your overall job satisfaction. By advocating for fair compensation, you lay the groundwork for financial growth and advancement throughout your career. 4. Dealing with the stalled negotiation. In some cases, negotiations can reach a stallment. If the hiring manager is unwilling to budge on salary, consider alternative strategies. Focus on non-salary perks such as additional vacation days, flexible work hours, or professional development opportunities. Explore performance-based incentives or a salary review after a specific probation period. Assess the overall value and growth potential of the position, considering long-term career prospects beyond immediate financial gains. 5. Practical tips on how to negotiate salaries. Research and know your worth. Conduct thorough market research to understand salary ranges for similar roles in your industry and location. Online resources and salary comparison website can provide valuable insights. Highlight your value. Emphasize your unique skills, qualifications, and achievements during the negotiation process. Clearly articulate how you can contribute to the company's success and provide value beyond expectations. Practice effective communication. Prepare and rehearse your negotiation points, focusing on clear and concise communication. Maintain a professional and confident demeanor while listening actively and responding thoughtfully. Consider total compensation. Salary is just one component of the overall compensation package. Evaluate other aspects such as benefits, bonuses, professional development opportunities, and work-life balance when negotiating. Timing is key. Choose the right moment to negotiate your salary. In general, it is best to wait until after receiving a formal job offer. Express enthusiasm over the opportunity and discuss compensation in a respectful manner. Have a range in mind. Set realistic expectations by determining your desired salary range based on industry standards, your qualifications, and the company's resources. This flexibility allows room for negotiation while maintaining a fair perspective. As a first-time job seeker, mastering the art of salary negotiation empowers you to claim your worth in the professional workplace. By understanding the importance of negotiation, overcoming common barriers, and implementing practical strategies, you can pave the way for a successful career, financial growth, and job satisfaction. Remember, negotiating your salary is a reflection of your self-worth and an investment in your future. Take the leap, advocate for yourself, and unlock the opportunities that await you. Thank you for listening. If you want to read the information, you can find the link to the article in the description box. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and to follow Banks and Insurance Jobs on our social media to stay up to date on the latest vacancies and career advice.